You guys, I was just about to take my makeup off and then I was like, I should probably show you guys how the makeup turned out. This is not entirely how it turned out. I already took off my lipstick and my eyebrows. Also, ignore the fire alarm beeping. I need to fix that. The makeup artist is really sweet. It came out really cool. This is giving me like swan vibes. I have dinner and the thick brows do not look good on my face at all, so I had to remove them and I just drew in my normal brows. I usually just like fill them in like as naturally as possible. I don't really like to use like pomades. I just do like a brow pencil. I try to follow like my natural brow shape. I literally ran home and like wiped them off. So I fixed that and then I went to dinner. I'm so excited for this trip I have coming up. I just ordered a bunch of stuff for this trip. I ordered like a bunch of coats. It's like 40 degrees, 30, 40 degrees, and I'm sorry, that might not be like too bad for some people. If you're from LA, you live in LA, I'm not from LA, I'm from Seattle, but I've been living in LA for like 6 years now. The average temperature here is like 70 degrees. People that live in LA, we're really dramatic, and anything below like 60 degrees is freezing for us. We're spoiled by the weather here. I bought a bunch of like parka type coats for this. My mom was like, you're so dramatic. Trust me, I'm gonna need it. Otherwise, I won't leave the house because I don't do well with the cold. Oh my gosh, it's so white. I need to adjust the, I don't know if you guys can tell, she did this like liner look, silver and gold glitter on top, and then she put it like on the bottom too. This is the situation right now. I'm so scared because everyone keeps telling me how cold it is. The weather there is very cold. I mean, well, it's cold for me. I had to buy a separate luggage to put all of these coats into. I bought an insane amount. I'm so scared. I don't know how cold it's gonna be there. And then this one is just like my clothes. Oh, I'm out of breath, but I'm almost done packing. I just have to zip these up now. I am queen of overpacking. This is insane. This is what I usually get to wake me up. I get a nitro cold brew and then I do either 2 or 3 shots of the blonde roast espresso. Okay, cut me off. I add almond milk and yeah, it's not good, but it wakes me up and I need that right now because I have the longest day ahead of me. I don't know. You guys, in Amsterdam, they have like a parking garage, but for bikes. How cool is that? Goes all the way back here. Insane. Look at how long the words here are. What? That's crazy. That's insane. guys know I have a thing for bathrooms. How cute is this? It's so cute. Everything here is like so tiny, mini and compact. I'm waiting to get on the train to go to the city. It's so pretty here. I love this vibe. Like overcast. It's so nice and calm. And these houses are so cute. Bought this and she sprayed the bag with a perfume. How cool is that? I wanna know how long your lipstick on me. Yeah, I wanna know how. You guys, I did my makeup for New Year's and then I ate and now it looks crazy. Anyway, happy New Year's. Well, happy New Year's Eve. I did my makeup and then I ate. I did my hair and everything. I'm looking in the viewfinder. I didn't realize I had a big black streak coming down under my eyes and I almost changed and ready to celebrate New Year's Eve. So I'm glad I caught that. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm still in Amsterdam, still celebrating in Amsterdam. I don't know if you can hear the fireworks outside. It is crazy. They go crazy all out with the fireworks. They have been going since maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. It's not even like 8 right now and insane. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed and get ready for New Year's. You make me wanna do it so bad. You make me wanna do it so bad. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel. Here interestingly shaped. This is like a cylinder. This is in a little town called Hilversum, I think. It's so cute. It's been really cold here. I've been wearing beanies. I never wear beanies, and I'm wearing this huge coat with a hood because at night here it gets so cold, especially when it's rainy. And then the wind, I keep staring at myself in the viewfinder because I'm just not used to wearing hats. Anyway, I'm headed to Amsterdam. Media Park. I'm on the train to, I'm on the train to Amsterdam. Yeah, I'm excited to go. Guys, the bikes here, everyone rides a bike. I mean, it's Amsterdam, of course. Crazy! How beautiful. We just got to another part of Amsterdam that we haven't been to yet, and it's so beautiful. Public transportation and bikes are definitely the preferred form of transportation. So we just got to this museum. During the summer, everyone just hangs out in the grass here, sets up picnics, lays out, and then I think there's an ice rink there right now for the holidays with a big Christmas tree I can see. You can't see it because my camera quality is not good, but I can see it. You can see the numbers from New Year's last night. They probably did the countdown here. I was right. There's an ice rink with a Christmas tree, cute little outside bar, and then this museum over here. I think there's like several museums here. So pretty, but you guys, they didn't really maintain this really well because the ice melted. Kids are skating on ice with chairs. They don't fall. These girls literally popped a squat. They said they're done with this watered down ice rink. I think that I messed up the adjusting on my camera, so you might not be able to see this well, but how pretty. It's so cute at night, and it's surprisingly not as cold. I was really nervous. I bundled up. Don't be upset at my video if the camera quality isn't consistent, because I swear my phone takes better quality videos than this camera. So how pretty is this if it would focus? Love this camera. All right, you guys, I think it's time for a new camera. I've had this one for years. My first vlogging camera. Okay, there we go. we're focused. Streets are so beautiful. Oh my god, I almost ran into that kid. These aren't even like the main streets. The main streets are insane. So pretty. Cute little restaurants. I'm so glad I came here for the holidays. I wanted to be here for this.
She went away on Christmas Day, didn't come back till New Year. He thought everything had changed.
That says American Hotel. I wonder how many Americans actually stay there.
A sad invention. As soon as I mention the boy girl do their own thing, no lonely heart. So go on in, there's wood on the fire. She went away on Christmas Day.
I bundled up, but I'm kind of hot. Did he work here? Anyway, I'm hot. I'm literally sweating. I'm at the Marriott and I desperately need coffee. My finger will not focus. I definitely broke my camera. I'm at a cafe. Sorrel's. I really need coffee. I'm still super jet lagged. I think I'm gonna get a cappuccino. What else is here? Is this the food? Oh yeah, it's called Sorrel's Bar and Lounge. Guys, I'm here with my aunt. Аннушек, скажи привет. Hi. She's been helping me explore. She's so cute. I think I've already mentioned this, but my immediate family lives in America, but the rest of my family is spread out across the world. Like I have family all over Europe, Armenia. Everywhere I go, I have family to meet up with. So it's really nice. Guys, I got my coffee. Everyone's probably like, who is this crazy American that keeps staring at herself in a camera? The waiter just asked me if I was Greek. Do I look Greek?
But he already knew this was coming, but still he made mistakes. Instead of just making friends, he went on bending. As soon as I mentioned the boy girl do their own thing, no lonely heart. So go on in, there's wood on the fire.
I think I want to get this spoon. Or should I get this one? I don't know. They're all so cute. Oh my god, wait, this one. It has the clogs. I'm gonna get both of these. I love this. I'm getting this. And I'm gonna get this for my dad.
She went away on
so fast. This is my first time here during the day and it's so beautiful. Like how pretty. The architecture, am I saying that right? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's very clear I'm from a warm city because everyone here is wearing like little jackets and then I'm wearing a big coat and a hat. I don't care. All I care is being warm right now. The weather is so nice. I think it's like in the 50s. These are so cute.